So the Scoville scale, it's the way you can judge how hot a pepper is without having to taste it. We have a pack of peppers here in the studio with us. So if you go on to YouTube, you can subscribe and please give us, ring that bell. We have serrano peppers, okay? And right on the tag, which I'm really grateful for, they didn't used to do this, but it has the Scoville heat unit. So if you see SHU, that's what that stands for. And it says 22,000. What does that mean? What does that mean? I mean, it's crazy. Like pure capsian pepper is 16 million. So this is relatively in the middle as far as hot peppers go. You know, and serranos, they're more of a mild Mexican, probably, where you would eat it and say it's got a little kick, period. Now, things like bell peppers are zero. They don't have that heat that you would get. Carolina Reaper, if you're eating Carolina Reapers, you better regularly see a gastro doctor. You're burning a hole in your stomach. It has 1,400,000 to 2,200,000 SHU. So Scoville, on the Scoville, that's the hottest pepper that you can get. There's Trinidad Scorpion, ghost peppers. There's even chocolate jalapenos are pretty high up there. But how did they figure this out? So Scoville wanted to know and have some way that he could tell the pungency of the peppers and chilies, because he was interested in the chilies' potential health benefits and uses and needed a way to quantify their strength in research. So how did it work? First, an alcohol extract of capsian oil is obtained from dried test pepper, period. The oil then is diluted with sugar after differing concentrations sampled by taste testers, period. I always think, you're all of a sudden, it's like, yeah, they're all big brothers getting their little brothers to try it. Hey, Mikey. And that, is this hot? Taste this. I'll give you $1. The pepper is then assigned a Scoville heat unit with respect to the dilution required for, the dilution required for the burn to no longer be sensed. So if you eat a hot pepper, do you eat bread? Do you eat it? It's actually sugar is the thing that will be used to make it not hot. So keep that in mind. There's a commercial that's out right now that is like, it's a scene where they're at they're tasting hot wings, and that the chef who made them, she says, don't touch your face. Don't touch your face. I don't know if you've ever had it, but even the leaves of some really hot peppers, if you're planting them and you get that oil from the leaves on your fingers and you wipe it on your face is burning. Your face is burning. So that's a one time I would say wear gloves. So they figured this out. So it's not so much, it's how much of the concentrate do they need to bring that heat down. So, I mean, if a pepper rates at 5,000 Scoville heat units, then the oil obtained from the extract must be diluted 5,000 times, again, with that sugar mixture to be brought down where it's barely detectable. Okay. I don't know. Habaneros, for instance, 580,000 SHU. Scotch bonnet, 35. It's 350,000 Scoville units. Devil's tongue, there you go. That's a nice one. 300,000 Scoville units. Tabasco, 50,000. So Tabasco is relatively mild compared to some of these other ones. Jalapenos, 10,000. It is, I'm looking through the list here, and Poblano, which does have a little bit of heat, but then again, when it comes to this, I'm not a hot pepper guy. TJ, do you eat hot peppers?
No, not really.
No?
Not a big fan.
Really? I don't know. There are some people that just, like, they want to sweat when they're eating a hot pepper. Not me. Not me.
I mean, I like hot wings, like buffalo wings.
Well,
but
that's the same thing.
yeah.
Same thing. So, I mean, you want them real hot?
Yeah.
You do.
Yeah.
So you do. Yeah, I mean, that's where it comes from.
Okay, yeah, then essentially, yeah, I guess I do.
Yeah, because, I mean, they actually rate wings based on the Scoville scale on some places. So, I don't know. Maybe it's the Dutch boy in me that I just,
Yeah, maybe, I don't know.
No, I don't know. Anyway, so make sure when you're buying your peppers for this vegetable season to plant in your garden. And if you want to fool your friends, make them burn their tongue out of their mouth. Carolina Reapers are going to be the hottest. Then there's the Thai Scorpions and then the Ghost Peppers. I don't understand it, but I have a lot of people. We sell a lot of Carolina Reaper peppers. So make sure that you're checking to see where it rates on that Scoville scale if you're not sure how hot you want it. So that's how you do it. And it's easy enough. There are plenty, like at Bloomers, we have an actual scale that's right by where we sell the peppers. And we actually display them from 0 to the Carolina Reapers at 2.2 million Scoville units. So we have them that way so our customers have an easy way to shop. It's like, all right, that end is going to be sweet peppers. That end is going to burn the tongue out of my mouth. So check the tag. Hopefully they'll all start using the Scoville scale the same way that these Serranos are.